So this is an island, actually a protection area for birds, and I was just talking to this man who is a photographer, and he knows all about these migratory birds that come here and spend time here. And it's very interesting because there's also a kind of a museum, and I have to reach it. This is the museum, you see. And it's called Maison de L'ile. And there's a kind of a, this is the man who explains everything, and well, it's beautiful. Sanctuary for birds. Maison de L'ile aux oiseaux.